name's Mark, one of the co-founders here at Windmill, and we're so excited for you guys to continue to roll out Windmill to the entire org. Wanted to take some time today to show you some best practices, how to get the most from the system, et cetera. So when you log into Windmill, this is a test environment here. You're going to see your direct reports over here. So this will be your team. All of your one-on-ones will be queued up for you right here. If you click into any of these, you're going to see your shared one-on-one notes. Now, a couple things to call out here, but I want to start with, if you learn nothing from this video, do this. Go to settings and turn on one-on-one prep. And what this will do is allow you to configure alerts for your team before the one-on-one. So I'll give you an example. If I want to ask a DIT, who's a member of my team, before each one-on-one, is there anything you need my assistance with today? I can schedule this to go out to a DIT on Slack. I want to go out 6 hours before each meeting, and then 30 minutes before each meeting, I want to be alerted to say, hey, a DIT wants to cover this. Is there anything you want to add to the agenda? Once you save this, this will be programmed for you. Now, you can also schedule this for your entire team. If you go to the one-on-ones tab, you can configure prep for all of your direct reports directly from here. Now, within the experience itself, you're going to have your shared notes right here. So this will automatically pull in the right meetings for you. If you want, we have the same thing as Notion here, where you have the slash commands, can add anything you want. You can add tables, do numbers, etc. This is where you can keep notes. Now, if you're someone like myself who used to keep notes on Google Docs, you can actually import your one-on-one notes directly from Google Docs by just pasting them in here. It will format it, etc., get everything right for you. Now, Windmill is connected to a couple core systems at OpenZeppelin now, hopefully more systems over time. And what you can do here is you can add suggested topics. This is going to look through those systems and say, okay, maybe it's worth covering this with this person. So for DIP prioritization for remaining high priority performance review features, I would love to chat about that. One click added to the agenda. So this is just visible to me. This is visible to both of us and shared, and we can keep all of our notes in here. Over on the right-hand side, this is just visible to you as this person's manager, and this is intended to catch you up on everything you need to know about this person before diving in. Too much one-on-one time is spent like, hey, what are you focused on? How's this thing going? Envision this panel as your way to better understand everything you need to know about this direct report so you can make the most of the time. All of this data is cited, so you can always see where this information is being pulled in from. You can see goals, progress, recent feedback, development, and growth. All of this is there to help you. The one-on-one flow is intended to be straightforward, simple, and it's also intended to be super accessible to you from Slack. So if you ever go into Slack, you always have the ability to ask Wendy to say, hey, can you add something to my agenda with the DIT? And you could add items directly from here. You can also ask Wendy, hey, can you tell me what we covered last week and any action items? You also have the ability to quickly, if you want, create a private note and say anything you want about your team, and then these private notes get stored and then will be surfaced to you for your one-on-ones as well. There's a ton of functionality in here. You're going to love using the product. If you have any questions, thoughts, feedback, things that we can improve, we'll make sure that there's proper communication channels for you, so you can always reach out to us. Can't wait to get this going for you. And then the beauty of all of this is the more you use one-on-ones, the more context you put into the system when you show up to do your reviews in July, all of that will be there for you. So Windmill is like your memory system that allows you to make the most of your time with your direct reports. Enjoy. Let us know if you have questions.